YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video coming from AliExpress. They got a huge summer sale going on right now. Everything's back and running. Shipping is going good. And you might want to check out this trending product on the web right now. Viral on TikTok. So if you guys want to get some viral views on your video, definitely check this out. Link is going to be down below. And good old AliExpress. This is company VEVOR. They got a lot of stuff there on Ali. And this is one of them. And this is going to be Slushie maker. It is summertime now, so definitely a good thing to have a cool off drink during these dog days of summer. But it'll be good. Memorial Day sale going on now also, so all you gotta do is click the link down below, which is my affiliate link with AliExpress. And they got other things, so they got a lot of things. There we go. But I figured this is gonna be a good one to do a video for. Make some slushies. No wheezing the juice, buddy. So we are good to go now. But like I said, VEVOR, they got really cool stuff also, so you might want to check them out. Alright guys, here it is. Kind of looks like that one icy dude. Slushie maker. I don't think anything special on the back. Nope. Same. So we're going to open it up. Set it up. Because I know the container, I'll show you in a second. You're going to have to put it in the freezer for an hour. Yeah, I'm losing my voice. Something's going on. Got that there. But definitely check them out. Got one more here to go. Oh, this is nice. Great for beginners. Great for the kids. Especially this summer. People in Florida, you guys are in for it. I'm not sure about Michigan. I think we'll be alright with the weather, but it still might be a hot one. There we go. Ooh. This is nice. So, thank you AliExpress for sending me this for a review. You got a little drip tray. Plug. Cover protection. Watch this. Boom. Boom. So you can pour any kind of drink you want. Adult beverages. And stuff like that. That's it. That's how you do it. At the end, you'll see the whole thing going. Here's front. That's the container. The silver. You're going to want to put that in the freezer for an hour. That's what it says. Oh, here's the latch. Hold on, let me put you down. So here we go. That's where you're going to put the your drink. A little teaspoon of salt. And then put this in the freezer for an hour. Then you add your ingredients and let it mix. I can't wait to see this work. All right, part 2, kitchen. Here we go. And here we go, guys. Look at this. Boom. So check them out. Link's going to be down in the bio. Be safe. Have a good weekend.